We're back again. Jacob's playing with his RC in the mud. Just give me a short video, but fun. Get down! Oh! Well, I cannot follow it, I guess. Oh, it's blurry. No. Focus. There we go. I would be playing with mine, but I broke a hex nut and I haven't got to go to buy some or anything. So, yeah. Come on, keep going. I want to see that motor start smoking. Where is he? Okay, honestly, just pull it out. Jacob! Oh! Yummy. That's some deep stuff right there. I think you need some new tires. And a bigger motor. I hate you for doing that. This is Exhale Deadbolt. Running a Traxxas 7 cell. Wait, what mAh is it? 3,000. It's 3,000, so it's a piece of crap battery. They die really fast. I wasn't ready for you to go in reverse. Yeah, you finally made a path through there. Never mind.
Go to the back.
Okay, so we took the body off and it is really muddy. You're gonna have fun cleaning this. That's pretty awesome. I can't wait to get mine. You jerk. Well, hopefully we'll see you again. That was actually pretty awesome. No body? You gonna do it with no body? Yeah, you suck. Well, see you next time.